Hi y'all, welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing a potato harvest with you guys, and the potatoes are not looking so well. I noticed that we do have some plant damage, and we've had the plants dying back on us. I've not seen any pests to speak of, so let's take a closer look at what's going on. So it's looking like we have some ants in the stalks of these potatoes. We're going to try to harvest these potatoes and see if there's anything to save worthwhile. We're going to carefully dig around the plants here, pull this mulch back, and see if we have anything right here on top. So far it's not looking very promising. Potatoes don't seem to be growing at all. But we're going to keep going and see if we can find anything. So far, nothing. This is very disappointing. So did not want to see this. Was hoping for some potatoes. Jeez. I hate ants. And to be honest with you, I never even saw one ant bed. So I guess I'm going to have to investigate and see if I can find a bed somewhere close by. Because I'm not seeing any beds here. I'm not seeing any ants. Except for in the stalks. And it apparently, the ants have come into the stalks because of such dry weather. Because of the dry weather we've had. Alright, so it looks like we have one small potato here. So we're going to try and look a little closer and see if there is anything to save. One small potato. Jeez. Alright, so we've pulled up all the potatoes, and now I'm just going to pull my mulch back. I laid the potato plant down, and we're going to just mulch over top of everything and get this area covered so it can rest some, so I can plant here again, because we need planting space for the next crop. So since we lost these potatoes, we're just going to cover the bed and let it rest some, and then we'll plant here again. Oh look, I found a couple of small ones here. This harvest was very disappointing. Here in the South, we fight the fire ants in the garden all the time, or at least I do. I always have. I'm allergic to the fire ants, so I will break out if bitten too many times. So I try to watch for them. So I'm always finding them in the garden. So we're just going to spread this out and get it all mulched in. Okay, so here is the potato harvest. As you can see, we have some ants that ate into the potato as well. Okay guys, so as you can tell, not everything always goes as planned on the homestead. So we're going to mulch this area in and just let it rest for a little while, and I will locate that ant bed, so we can eradicate that ant bed, because I can't have the ants taking over the garden. So unfortunately, nothing to see this time. So guys, never give up. And until next time, happy homesteading.